Hey guys, this is Daniel here with Martin Kia to go over some helpful tips and tricks on how to use your new Kia vehicle. Today we have a 2019 Kia Forte LXS, and we're going to go over how to adjust the manual seats in the car. Alright guys, so to adjust the manual seats in 2019 Kia Forte is very simple. There's only going to be 3 different levers you're going to have on the seat. So the first we're going to go up is how to adjust it front and back. So if we come down here, you're going to see this pull bar right here. Once you pull that, you can adjust it back and forth, like so. All right, second is going to be this pull bar right here. And what it does is you can pump it down to raise the seat down and pull it up to raise the seat up to adjust the ride height. And last but not least is going to be this lever here. And that's going to adjust the back of the seat to lean front and back. All right, guys, I hope this trick was useful to you guys. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe.